So if you're using the Trimble Penmap system for doing things like walkover surveys, the easiest way to get the data onto the device in the field, whether it be a Trimble TDC600 or another Android device, is to first of all upload data onto the cloud, and then once it's on the cloud we can pick it up from the field. So I need to install Trimble Penmap Project Manager to do this, and that's what we're seeing on the screen here. It's installed using Trimble Installation Manager, and when I first log in using my login name, then I will see my Trimble Connect projects. Now if I just open a browser here, we can see the Trimble Connect projects, and essentially Trimble Connect will hold any of my cloud projects that I'm using for any of the Trimble devices, whether it's Trimble Access or Trimble Business Center. So what I suggest that we do is we have a single project in Connect that holds all of our Penmap projects, and that's what we have here. And when I go into my Connect projects, then again I can see my Penmap projects here, and I can just basically open up that Connect project. Once we've got the Connect projects opened up, we can create a new project, and I'm just going to call this Burn Pretty Walkover. Templates we can come back to later on, but essentially they can have different templates with your codes and so on, and I'm just going to use this template called WinFarm, which is a sort of standard walkover type template. We must choose the right coordinate system, so this is obviously the most common one used in the UK, and then we can upload our data. The data is going to be CSV files, it can be AutoCAD files, or it can be shape files. So here I have a DWG AutoCAD file that I want to upload. I just choose Next now. Here I can add additional users if I wanted to, but I've got just myself in this project, and I'm just going to hit Submit, and now that data is being uploaded onto the cloud, and we can use it within the Trimble Penmap field system.